Well, here we are, Fort Lauderdale Airport. We're about to head to Niagara Falls to see if it's still frozen over. I want to take some cool shots of it. Also want to walk to Canada from New York. Filming a TV show.
One person,
she's kind of famous.
One adult has to be with
she's not there, but she'll be there.
Are you ready for takeoff?
All exit 3.
It's gonna be cold.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Let's do it. So a few weeks ago, I saw a video on YouTube that really inspired me to want to come out here, get some really cool footage, some drone shots, some photos, etc., etc. So, check it out. It's a bit cold. I'm from Miami and I kind of don't know what to do. I'm wearing gloves. I wasn't prepared for this. I knew it was gonna be cold, but I didn't think it would be this cold. So the American side was pretty cool, huh? Let's go check out Canada. This is how easy it is to cross the border. Voila. So I currently have one foot in Canada and the other in the United States of America. We just made it to Canada. Border Patrol wasn't that bad, but let's go check out the falls. Wow. So apparently there's dinosaurs at the falls. So here we are leaving the tourist trap area of Niagara Falls. Let's go to a casino in the downtown and then go from there. So what happened to us today?
Well, we got lost in a town called Chupawa. Then we went to the casino. Alex almost got kicked out because he was playing around with his camera in the casino. Yeah. It isn't the first place he gets kicked out. But we got invited to dinner by some very nice people.
So here we go. We're walking back to the United States from Canada. and it's cold. So I guess in Canada they're used to this weather because other people have been saying that today's been one of the warmest days. And look at me. Gloves, layered up, beanie, hoodie. It's pretty damn cold for me. Not for them though. This is the walk from Canada to the United States of America. So yesterday we went to Niagara Falls, and today we're gonna be at Niagara-On-The-Lake. So we just had breakfast at Cannery Restaurant at Pillar and Post. This is by Niagara-on-the-Lake, and highly recommended. Pretty good. Good food, good prices, good time, good company too. Hood on or hood off? I don't know. You excited? Why?
Gelato.
Gelato?
Yeah.
We literally just ate.
Yeah, well that was brunch. Now I'm having ice cream.
Alright guys, so that's about it for Niagara Falls. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more content.